Hello students, today we'll discuss about types of respiration. So previous discuss about the what is the respiration and what is the breathing differentiation. Yes, yeah. So what is the respiration here? Discuss. So oxidation of glucose takes place in the cytoplasm and results in the production of pyruvic acid or pyruvate acid. This is called glycolysis. What is the oxidation? Just remember your previous topic. Yeah, oxidation means the oxygen mixed with food, right? Release the energy. Nothing but we call ATP, right? Here, oxidation of glucose. Glucose, nothing but we call food. Yeah. So, oxidation of glucose takes place in the cytoplasm. But because of taking of food material, the food is breakdown. Yes or no? Where in the cell only, the cell contain cytoplasm, nucleus and cytoplasm, right? So oxidation of glucose takes place in cytoplasm and results in the production of pyruvic acid. Yes, the glucose enter in the cell in the cytoplasm and production of pyruvic acid, so we call glycolysis. One molecule of glucose gives two molecules of pyruvic acid. So when in the food contain glucose, every glucose molecule it gives two molecules of pyruvic acid. So in the glycolysis process does not require oxygen and is common for both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So see here, the glycolysis process does not require oxygen, but the fate of pyruvic acid. So already before we discussed glycolysis, pyruvic acid, right? So the fate of pyruvic acid depends on presence or absence of oxygen in the cell. So it means here the glycolysis does not require oxygen, but the production of pyruvic acid, these pyruvic acid they require depends on presence or absence of oxygen. So based on this respiration, two types. One is the aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration means absence of oxygen. First topic, aerobic respiration. Some example, most of the all animals and plants, it occurs in the presence of oxygen. So student, yes or no? Because of all plants animals, the respiration is occur. Because of animals taking of oxygen release carbon dioxide. So opposite to plants, plants take carbon dioxide release oxygen. So the respiration occur both in both animals and plants, right? When oxygen is present in the cell, the pyruvic acid is completely oxidized. So yes or no? But because of aerobic respiration means nothing but we call presence of oxygen, right? Here, when oxygen is present in the cell, the pyruvic acid is completely oxidized to form carbon dioxide and a lot of energy. So oxidized of this glucose or pyruvic acid and to form a carbon dioxide and energy, right? And what is energy here means ATP, adenosine triphosphate. How many? 38 ATPs are produced, and the energy is utilized according to the use of the organism. This takes place in the mitochondria. See what happened here? This total entire process occur in the presence of mitochondria. I think all cell, every cell contain many cell organelles. Yes or no? Yes, one of the cell organelle mitochondria. The mitochondria it is a release of energy. So we call it is a powerhouse of the cell, right? So these total aerobic respiration is occur in the presence of oxygen in the mitochondria. So we call cellular respiration because of the respiration is occur in the inside of the cell, presence of mitochondria. So we call cellular respiration. See how the energy is released. So glucose nothing but we call with taking of food material, the food contain glucose. Yes, right. So glucose, the arrow mark is glycolysis or cytoplasm. What is a remember the first definition? Yeah, glycolysis means oxidation of glucose takes place in the cytoplasm and results in the production of pyruvic acid, that is called glycolysis, right? So glucose glycolysis by cytoplasm, two pyruvic acid produced in the mitochondria already before one. So in the presence of mitochondria only release of energy, right? Here mitochondria by presence of oxygen and release of 38 ATP plus 6 CO2 plus water. So 1 molecules of glucose equal to 38 ATPs. Means when taking of food material, the food contain depend on the glucose and produce number of ATPs. Suppose the glucose contain only one glucose molecules, so they have 38 ATPs. Suppose here 12 glucose, how many ATPs are produced? Just calculate and say answer. Suppose 12 glucose, 12 into 38 ATPs. Say answer. So 486, right? So 456 ATPs. 456 ATP molecules are produced, right? So every one molecules of glucose equal to 38 ATPs. So this is the aerobic respiration. So next topic is anaerobic respiration. I think hope you understand.